Hey guys, you ready for another video? So here we are on our next note page. This one's on arcs and chords. And so right now we're really going to focus on the chord part of this. Arcs will come a little bit later, but the chord, let's really talk about that. Think back to your vocabulary from last Friday on the Quizlet. A chord is a segment that goes across a circle, endpoint to endpoint on the circle, and it could be a diameter. A diameter is a chord, but for this particular note, we're talking about chords that are not diameters. So if you look at the picture, this guy right here, all the way across, right here, all the way across, is a chord, and it's not a diameter. How do I know it's not a diameter? Because it doesn't go through the center. So it has endpoints on the circle, right there, but it's not the diameter. So it's just a general chord. Now, radius. We know what a radius is. A radius is from the middle out somewhere. So if a radius, this guy right here, bisects a chord, then it's perpendicular to it. Well, that's the symbol for perpendicular right there. Perpendicular means right angle. So I'm told in this picture it is a right angle. So if it's a radius and a chord and you have a right angle, then it bisects it. Well, what's the word bisect mean? Bisect cuts in half, right? Two parts. Bisect cuts in half. So if a radius bisects a chord that is not a diameter, then it is perpendicular to the chord. The other way to kind of say that is if a radius is perpendicular to a chord that is not a diameter, then it bisects the chord. So they go hand in hand. If this is perpendicular, the chord has been bisected. If the chord has been bisected, this is perpendicular. So, having said all that, take a guess. What's the question mark equal to? Question mark is 4. This half is 4, so is this half, also 4. So guys, these are the notes that you're going to need, and I am going to go and I'm going to do another video and talk you through some of the problems on the next page of your packet, because they definitely are a little bit more challenging than just this basic cut it in half thing. So I'm going to pick a few, I'm going to talk through those, and then I'm going to set you loose on the rest of these. So as always, let me know how you're doing. Let me know if this video is helpful. And keep plugging at it, guys. You're doing a great job. Take care.